Ready to ditch the frustrating freezes and embrace a coding environment that truly works for you? Finding the right Ubuntu version for coding is key. And today, we'll cut through the noise to find the most stable and reliable choice. Forget jumping between various releases. We're focusing on a rock-solid foundation. The key to stability in Ubuntu, for coders, lies primarily with long-term support, or LTS releases. Think of these as the tried-and-true workhorses. They get years of updates and bug fixes. These are your best bet for a smooth, dependable coding experience. Regular releases, shown in the comparison, are more prone to issues. Stability minimizes distractions. Do you want to be fighting software glitches all day, or focus on your code? The fewer issues you face with the operating system, the better you'll be coding. This will boost your coding efficiency. To choose the best LTS release, it's simple. Look up the current LTS release or the one nearest to being released. These versions are rigorously tested so you can focus on building something great. By picking an LTS release, you're choosing less downtime and more coding time. You're choosing peace of mind. The right Ubuntu version is the start of amazing coding projects.